In this video, we are going to see how to remove Karma Jasmine and implement a Jest in Angular application. I have a latest Angular application, Angular 13, which has Karma in it. If you see, have Jasmine and Karma. So whenever you create any new Angular application, Angular comes with the default Karma Jasmine bundle. So first, to implement Jasmine Jest into our application, we have to remove Karma Jasmine first. So I'll remove all the Karma Jasmine. If you look at here, there are a few packages which describes for Karma Jasmine. So if you have additional packages which supports Karma Jasmine, you need to remove all those packages. Okay, let me open terminal. Okay, so this application is on new app, cd new app. Okay, so now I will be uninstalling all the packages relates to Karma Jasmine. So I have add types Jasmine. Okay, so I think these are the packages. Yes, I have missed one more thing, Jasmine core. Okay, so these are the packages. Let us uninstall first. Okay, so if you see, we have removed all the packages relates to Karma Jasmine from here, the dependencies. Okay, now we will remove it from the angular.json. In angular.json, if you go to at the end of the file, you will be having a test. So this will be used only when you have Karma Jasmine in your application, and it also has points to test that ts file and a karma.config file. So we'll remove all those things. First I will remove the test, so the entire object. Okay, then we have to remove. Okay, then we will remove karma.config.js file and the test.ts file. Now we will create a new file for okay, so before creating new file, okay, let us install the packages required for Jest. npm install, or you can even put npm I just rate types / just hyphen preset hyphen angular. So these are the packages we need for the Jest to run. I will create it as a dev dependency. Okay, now Jest has been installed. Let us create a Jest test file. Okay, so here in the src we need to create a file named setup.jest.ts, and we need to import a Jest preset angular. Okay, so the next step is to modify the spec file tsconfig spec.json. Here previously it was referring to Jasmine, Karma Jasmine. Now we need to modify it to support for Jest. So here instead of Jasmine, we'll have Jest, and we need to add one more thing, Node. And here instead of test file, we need to refer uh, the Jest file we have created, setup.jest.ts. So the next step is to add the Jest configuration to the end of the package.json file. So I have already copied the code. So here, this is what you have to. So you just need to add the preset and the file setup we have created, and we are ignoring a few things, and the spec.json, all those things. So that's it. And now to run this application, we need to specify Jest instead of test. We need to run Jest. And to see the coverage, and if you want to run it in watch mode, so that's it. So that's it. We have done the configuration for Jest. We have removed the Karma Jasmine and added Jest as a unit testing framework. So now, how let us test this. So now we have the component written in Karma Jasmine. We need to convert this into Jest to test this application. So first we have to remove all the places wherever the spec files are there. Remove all the places, and let us add it as a new one. So for example, first I don't have much component. I have only one component. So in this component, I remove all the content. I will add it as a from the fresh. Now let's add a test case. So here in my code I don't have anything. I have only a title. So I'll test this title whether this value has a new app. So should have a title, new app. Okay, so we have written the test case. Now we'll run this. Yes, our test case got passed. So this is how we test Jest application. Now we'll see the coverage. So what we have given for the coverage to test colon coverage. Yes, we can see the coverage in the command line itself. Also, this will generate a new folder called coverage. Here also we can see the coverage. We need to open this HTML file. We'll open it. Okay, so let us reveal it in the Explorer. See, here we can see the coverage. The coverage is 100%. So if we have multiple components, you will see all the components listed here, and you can write coverages for that.